welcome to another episode of Go Fast Brett. I'm here with my good friend Brett. How you doing?
Good, mate. How are you?
Good, thank you. He's a proper mechanical engineer. We've been working together for over 15 years, GFB and Mighty Car Mods. But today, we're going to show you guys how to install a blow-off valve on a MK8 GTI, but not just a recirculating blow-off valve, something special. What have you got for us?
Yeah, that's it. So we've cooked up a new blow-off valve. I mean, we've got blow-off valves, they're blow-off valves, but we wanted something special for the Euro crowd. So this one has this trumpet on it that makes this very unique sound that the Euro market hasn't really seen before. So we wanted to give them something special, make them stand out.
Amazing. And invented in Australia by you and your team?
Yep, that's right.
Amazing. All right, show us it. Let's have a look.
All right.
Brett, you have developed quite a few blow-off valves. Tell me what's special about this one.
Cool. So for the golf platform, we really wanted to give it a unique sound. This trumpet is something that we've had in the range for quite a while, and the Subaru guys would be familiar with it.
It's loud.
It makes
I've seen it before.
Very high-pitched whistling kind of noise. And for golf market, we thought this is going to be perfect.
Yep.
So we put it on there. We wanted to give them something unique to break through the sound deadening and give it some character.
They are quite. And so you guys machine this. Like, tell me a bit about the process.
Yeah, so we design it in SolidWorks. We machine in-house, laser engrave the logo on there and everything. We designed it to be just a straight swap, straight bolt-on. It has an integrated solenoid with OEM connector, so it is literally just a matter of take the factory one off, put this one on.
And that's because the stock computer is telling this when to go off, basically?
When you lift off the throttle, the ECU will turn on the solenoid and blow off.
Awesome. All right, let's get it on the car.
All right, cool.
The first step is to jack up your bonnet, then throw your engine cover in the bin before it catches on fire, and now Marty's going to show you what tools you're going to need.
These are the tools you're going to need. You are going to need a 7mm socket. You're going to need a T30 Torx bit, ideally on a ratchet. You can also use a bitch ratchet for a 5mm hex, and some pliers to remove the spring clamps.
Installation is quick and easy. Using a set of pliers, remove the inlet pipe on the stock airbox. Then locate the Torx T30 and removing it using a long 1/4-inch ratchet. Remove the pipe from the front of the turbo, revealing the factory diverter valve. Then unplug the factory connector and remove the 3 5mm Allen bolts. Then the factory valve can go in the bin. Connect the adapter harness to the new GFB valve before fitting it back into the car and then doing exactly what you just did, but in reverse, and it is done.
Okay, so that is how you install it. How long do you reckon that took, Brett?
Under 10 minutes.
Under 10 minutes. All right, people. So now it's time to go for a drive, see what it sounds like. And by see, I mean hear. All right, people, there it is. Easy to install, sounds great. Thank you very much for hanging.
No worries, thank you.
And thanks for hanging with Mighty Car Mods for so long. GFB was the very first company that ever supported Mighty Car Mods over 15 years ago. So thank you very much.
It's been a wonderful ride, thank you.
You haven't aged a bit. I tell you what, vampire blood. The other thing is we've got a whole series that we've made with Brett called Go Fast Brett, which is really cool technical related stuff to do with turbos, boost, surge, dose. It's right here on this channel, MCM TV2, and there are some more videos coming up soon. So if there's a particular turbo related question you have or something technical, leave a comment down below and we will address it. Maybe whatever gets the most thumbs.
Sounds good.
Internal wastegate, we doing one about that?
Internal wastegate actuators, yep. We can do that.
All right, let's check the comments. We'll be back at you soon. There's more information also about the MK8 range of valves. That is also down in the description. Thanks for coming, Brett.
Thank you.
See you later.